Let's talk about the 5 easy things you can do right now to extend the life of your septic system. First, change your toilet paper. If you're using Charmin or Cottonelle, you're not doing your septic system any favors. 2, change your laundry detergent. By using a liquid detergent instead of a powder detergent, you're going to help your pipes and your septic system out. 3, stop flushing non-biodegradable items. No cigarette butts, no cat litter. Number 4, mark your septic tank. By finding it now, instead of waiting until you need to drive in your backyard or do construction, you'll be ready to prevent damage to your system. Finally, check for leaks in your house. These simple toilet tabs will tell you if your toilet's leaking, and if you have a toilet leak or a faucet leak, get it fixed because it's damaging your septic system. All right, one bonus one. And this isn't as cheap as the other ones I've talked about, but when you look at the grand scheme of things, it's way cheaper than replacing your septic down the road. Look into an aerobic bacteria generator. From DIY to high-end systems installed by septic installers only. A lot of these products I've talked about are in my Amazon store, so you can find that in the link in my bio. And don't forget to buy my book while you're there.